हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फैंटेसी यूनाइटेड। इस चैनल में हम कवर करेंगे फुटबॉल रिलेटेड ऑल ड्रीम 11 टीम्स एंड टिप्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ऑस्ट्रेलियन लीग 2021 एडिलेड यूनाइटेड एफसी वर्सेस मैकथर एफसी। इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे ड्रीम 11 स्मॉल लीग टीम एंड ग्रैंड लीग टीम। सो मैच इज बिटवीन एडिलेड यूनाइटेड वर्सेस मैकथर एफसी इन venue is Cooper Stadium, Australia. Let us see the current standing and important players from both the teams. Adelaide United is currently on 4th on the table with 15 matches played, 26 goals scored and 24 goals conceded. Macarthur FC is a newly promoted team. Total played games 16. Goals scored is 20 and goals conceded is 21. Basically this team do not score much goals and do not concede much goals also. Little bit trick in basis of Macarthur FC team. Let us move to the Adelaide United main players. Adelaide United main players are Stephen Mock with 6 goals, Tom Jurek with 5 goals and Craig Goodwin with the 4 goals. And basis of assist, Ben Aloran with the 4 assists, Craig Goodwin 2 assists and JV Lopez with the 2 assists. In basis of this, Craig Goodwin has 4 goals and 2 assists totally, which means he has contributed around 6 for the goals. Let us see us, and the penalty goals has been from Adelaide United has been scored by Tom Jurek. Tom Jurek is an important player in basis of penalty. Let us go with the Macarthur main players. Macarthur do not score much goals, but there is only lone striker who score more goals. It's Matt Derbyshire. They have scored around 20 goals. Half of them has been scored by Matt Derbyshire. He's an best captaincy contender in Dream 11 team. Second comes the Dennis Genrayu with 2 goals. Mark Millian, their defender, their captain with the 2 goals. The Benet Extibiria, the Spanish team with 3 assists. Thomas or the midfielder with 3 assists. And even Franjic with the 2 assists. Penalty goals is mainly scored by Matt Derbyshire for Macarthur FC. Let us move to Dream 11 small league team. Final teams we updated in the official Telegram channel Fantasy United. Please join our official Telegram channel Fantasy United and let us move to the Dream 11 small league team. As you can see in Australia League, basically goals scored are more than any other leagues. We will be going for the attacking formation only. Matt Derbyshire will be our captain. Craig Goodwin is the second best from Adelaide United. Third striker will be Tom Jurek, and from mids we have taken Ben Halloran, Bennett Extibiria, Luca Poyo and Stephen Mock. And from defender we have taken Mark Milligan and Susenjo Jovenji. And from keeping we have taken the Federacy. Final teams will be provided in the Telegram channel. Please join our Telegram channel in Fantasy United. Please subscribe, like and share, and thanks for your support.